I saw it coming. I guess it had to be done. Our love was fading, like snowflakes on my tongue. This time it's different. I can feel it in the air. It's time for a celebration. So let's do something crazy. Grab my hand and I'll show you funny.
Hi my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina. Today we're gonna create 3 amazing and stupidly simple hairstyles with a scarf. So if you'd like to see how I'm sharing my hairstyles ideas, please stay tuned.
So we will select our crown section and we want to brush it with our fingers or with our hands, and then you want to tie it using a clear elastic, creating a ponytail, and then you want to make an opening and bring the ponytail through this opening. Then you want to tug on the edges of the created topsy tail like so. We want to loosen it, and then you want to grab 2 equal sections from both sides like I'm showing, incorporating our first topsy tail as well, and we want to tie it and make an opening. Basically we will repeat these steps again. And again you want to grab another 2 sections from both sides of our created topsy tail, and we want to tie it with a clear elastic. As you can see, I curled my hair before just to make it fancy looking, and I really love it so much. So you want to loosen again it, and now you want to grab a scarf that you want. Just open a little bit your last elastic and make a knot, and you're basically done with first hairstyle. Now, second one, we want to select our front sections. Mine, I want to look them fancy, so I'll grab big chunks of hair in the front. I'll leave them. With the rest, we want to make a ponytail. Like so. Now you want to loosen a little bit the crown. Grab your favorite but long scarf. You want to wrap it around your head and tie it underneath your ponytail, and then you want to tie it over your ponytail. Divide your ponytail into 2, incorporating the ends of the scarf. You want to twist them. You want to twist each of them one way around itself, kind of, and then you want to twist them around each other opposite way. Then you want to tug on the edges of created raw braid, tie the ends using a clear elastic, and then you want to grab a small tiny piece from the end and wrap them around the elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath like so. And you're done with our second hairstyle. And now last one. Here I have no extensions, as you can see. We'll make with our hair a middle ponytail like I'm showing here, or a low ponytail depending on how high or low you want your bun to be. And then you want to tie the ends with a clear elastic and bring your scarf through the elastic. Now you want to roll our scarf like so. So our scarf will be covered by our hair, and now you want to tie it underneath and fan around created bun over our scarf like so. Now you want to pin in place the bun, but make sure to pin in place only your hair. So for this, make sure to use bobby pins so it will stay secure. I decided to make a knot again, and they're done.
If you enjoyed this hairstyle, please guys don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much for your love and support, and see you soon in my next video. Bye!